I'm Shinru, so I will be present my industry experience. So my internship start with May and end to the November. So I will start my present now. So this one is my contest. I will follow the contest to present my presentation. And this one is my company. I intern in the TWO Architect, and my boss is the AR Ong Teng Wai and his partner is the Mr. Jom Yap. In this company, focus on the architecture and interior design. So next is this one is my first project. This project name is China Group Johor Factory and the location at Johor. And I using 3 weeks to do this project because my job is prepare the BP drawing. So I will go through my drawing. So in this project, I learned about conversion of drawing for a China architect to our own format due to the drawing not meeting government standard of Malaysia for submission and also the proper way of drawing and checking using XL line. The most important thing I will learn about while doing this project was time management as this project was in rush and have little not to time because this project includes 4 factory, 1 dormitory, 1 office, 1 guardhouse and TMB, and 1 refuge chamber. So you can see my drawing now. This one is my side plan. So here is the 4th factory. This one is the 1 office in here, and the red color one, the small one is the guardhouse, and the behind the guardhouse is the TMB room. The pink color here is the dormitory, and the small one, this pink color, the red color is the refuge chamber. So in the purple hedging here is the empty space. Maybe the owner in the future will be exploit the space in here. So I will show my drawing now. So this one is the review chamber and the TMB showroom. And the TMB room, you can see my drawing. So I explain some hatching color. The yellow hatching is using for the cement and uncut concrete. And the blue color hatching is using the metal glass. And then the red color hatching is using brick. And then the green color hatching is using the section RC. So last one is the pink color hatching is using the tiles. And then another one color is the brown color hatching. Brown color hatching is using the timber. And then this one is my geometry drawing you can see. Because this project too many drawings, so I not put all the drawing inside the presentation slide. We got 2 more already. So I just show something in here you can see. So this one also the geometry for brand you can see and the section detail. This one is the guardhouse you can see. This one is the factory drawing, the elevation and section you can see. This one is I draw the section. And this one is second project is the name title is Micro Shah Alam Factory and the location at Shah Alam. This one is for the renovation factory. So I using the tool there to do this project. And I also prepare the BP drawing for this project. So in this project, main task will be reduce the whole structure into the setback line as the previous architect has drawn it over the setback line. So I have changed it and complete a set of drawing. So you can see this one is the floor plan for this factory. The pink color hatching is the new one, and then you can see here is have the blue color dotted line is the demolished one. So you can see the drawing here. So this one is the roof brand. The roof brand also demolished and some add on some new design at here. So this one is the section you can see. This one also the elevation you can see some detail for here. And this one also elevation for this project. This one also the elevation you can see. So next is the third project. So this one also renovation, but this one is the terrace out and the short road. The location at Kuchai Lama and Selayang Utama SU3. So I using 1 or 2 days to do this drawing. And this one is the BB drawing I do. In this project, I will learn how to draw roof correctly and also how to properly distinguish between new and existing structure by formulating a complete set of drawings. So this one is the terrace house renovation. For this for this project, the owner just need to add on a wall into the first floor because they need to small space to to use in the utility room. You can see the detail for here. So next is the also the terrace house renovation. In the ground floor, the owner need to demolish the toilet because they need to separate the toilet, and then in the car porch he also add on the downpipe at here, and then because in the first floor they need to extend the balcony, so need to add on the downpipe for the drain. And you can see some detail from the section here and the elevation. So the pink color hatching also the new one, the blue color dotted line also demolished one. So this one is the Charlotte renovation, you can see. So this renovation just also renovation interior because they cannot do anymore on the original building here. So they just can to demolish some partition at the new one and add on some partition into the interior there. So this I designed the facade, and one is the showroom and bungalow, and last one is the factory. The location at Vietnam and the KL. So you can see I learned 3 types of facade design for different type of structure, such as factory, commercial, and residential building. By designing the facade, al- I also learn how to better use material and its different specialty. So you can see for the first one is the bungalow. This bungalow at the Vietnam, and then have and then I also using the big for the client can some you can see my you can see my uh you can see my design here. This one is the bungalow design. In this bungalow is in the Vietnam, and I using the coping and the groove line to design the facade, and also add on some the view from the first floor here, can giving the client some anti-pace at here. And this one is the factory. This factory are also using the coping and groove line also, and just using simple design for the facade. You can see the picture and render here. And this one is the Isuzu. This Isuzu, oh, I also designed the facade. The facade I also using the ventilation board because in the third floor and the first floor, this one is the car park because they need to ventilation. Cause the BP drawing need to ventilation and in need to more ventilation for this level. So I using the ventilation board for this. You can see my design. So in intern, I also have helped to do some 3D, and I also learned how to use the Lumen Render. So you can see my. So I also learned how to use dedicated software to render and better my skin in SketchUp. You can see. So this one is the short road, short road, short road 3D, and this is some factory 3D you can see, and I also using the Lumen Render for this factory. And this one is the short road, and this one is the factory. You can see the rendering. This one also the short road and the factory here. So in my intern, I also have learned about authority and tender drawing and the site visit. So this authority, I just help to fill up the form for the CCC, DBKL, and the and and I also help to fill up the report. You can see. So this one is the tender drawing and detail drawing. So I learned how to produce tender drawing and detail drawing for staircase, pantry, and toilet. And door and window schedule is the detail drawing. You can see my drawing. So this one is door and window schedule. So next is the detail drawing for the toilet, and then for the kitchen, and then for the staircase. This one is the tender drawing you can see. So next is the site visit. I also have this is my first time to go site, and it is very dangerous for me. I think because have more very dirty, I think. So this is the Isuzu showroom in PJ. In this site, I also go, so I learned how to measure a existing building and what to look out for. This all my present. Thank you.